In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wave versus Zoho Books 2026 honest comparison. If you're deciding between these two accounting platforms this year, this breakdown will help you choose with confidence. Both tools serve freelancers and small businesses well, but they shine in different ways. Wave keeps things simple and affordable, while Zoho Books leans into advanced automation, customization, and broader business management. We'll cover pricing, features, invoicing, automation, integrations, and overall value so you can match the software to your needs. Let's start with Wave. It's one of the most beginner-friendly accounting tools out there, and its biggest draw is pricing. The free starter plan gives you unlimited invoices, expense tracking, customer management, estimates, and basic bookkeeping tools. For freelancers and solo entrepreneurs, that's a lot of capability without a monthly fee, which makes it easy to start sending professional invoices and tracking expenses right away. If you want more, the Pro plan is around $190 per year and adds automatic bank imports, receipt scanning, smarter transaction categorization, automated payment reminders, and improved payment processing. The interface is clean and intuitive, so even first-time users can feel comfortable within minutes. Wave is ideal for freelancers, consultants, coaches, side hustlers, and small service businesses that need straightforward bookkeeping. Just note the trade-offs. Inventory is basic, reporting is more limited, and you won't find the same depth of automation or customization you get with more advanced systems. As your business grows, you may outpace its feature set. Now, Zoho Books. This is a cloud-based platform designed for teams that want sophisticated automation and a larger ecosystem. It uses a subscription model with several tiers. The free plan costs $0 per month for solopreneurs and micro businesses, covering invoicing, expense tracking, customer portals, recurring invoices, and core accounting. The standard plan is around $10 per organization per month when billed annually and adds bank feeds, recurring expenses, custom reports, and robust transaction management. The professional plan at around $20 per month includes inventory tracking, multi-currency, project profitability, billable timesheets, workflow automation, approvals, and collaboration tools. Premium at about $30 per month, layers on budgeting, advanced forecasting, vendor portals, business-specific custom modules, and powerful customization with custom functions and automation rules. Zoho Books excels at automation and integrates tightly with the broader Zoho suite, CRM, marketing, projects, and help desk, so it can act as a unified business system. Its mobile app is strong too, supporting invoicing, expenses, and reporting on the go. The trade-offs are a steeper learning curve and a higher subscription cost than Wave's free option. So, which is better in 2026? If you want a free, beginner-friendly platform for simple bookkeeping, Wave is the clear pick. If you need advanced automation, custom workflows, inventory, and deep integrations, Zoho Books is worth the investment. Thanks for watching.